Hello guys, this is the third lecture in this video series. In this lecture we will understand what is the three candle formation. So three candle formation, also called the swing point, and also have another name is called the pivot. So what is the three candle formation? For the swing low, we wanna see the middle candle, the lowest one, and one candle on the left side should have the higher low, and one candle on the right side also should have the higher low. So what does it mean? It means the lowest candle low will be the lowest one, and this one will have the higher low. You see, this low is higher than this one, and this low is higher than this one. So that is called the swing low. As for the swing high, we want the middle candle high to be the highest one, and the first candle, or you can say the candle on the left, should have a lower high. So you see that this high is lower than this high, and one candle on the right side, also called the third candle, also should have a lower high. You see, this high is lower than this. So this is called the swing point or three candle formation, or we call it the pivot. So the next question is, what is the use of three candle formation? We use this three candle formation for two reasons. Number one, we will use it for QM. And what is the QM? The QM is used to mark the ranges, and this whole strategy is all about ranges. So that's why it's very important to understand the three candle formation pattern or the swing point, so you can mark the ranges correctly. If your range is incorrect, it means your analysis is incorrect. So that's why first you have to practice that what is the three candle formation. So we use it to mark the ranges for the QM, and second use is what? To find the internal range liquidity. So we need to find the swing points or pivot points or three candle formations to find the internal range liquidity, because we have to learn the range cycle. Every range cycle will have the internal range liquidity, and if the range will not have the internal range liquidity, then the market will create or generate or engineer the liquidity and then take that liquidity. So that's why that liquidity will also be in the form of three candle formation or swing points or the pivotal points. Let's see some examples. So let's start from here. Look here. This is the high. You can say the highest high. But this high is lower than this high. And one candle on the right, this high is lower than this high. So it means that this high is the highest high. So we call this one as a three candle formation or swing point. And then this is the low, this is the low, then we have another low, another low, another low. Look, this one. This low is the lowest point of this candle on the left and this candle on the right. So this also becomes what? The swing low. And then we have another low. So if we have another low, in this case you see that this low and one candle on the right side, this low, these are the higher low of this one. So this comes this becomes what? The swing point. And then we have the high, and this is the highest point of the candle left and on the candle right. So that's why this is the swing point, or we call the swing high. And then we have the low, another low, another low. So left candle and right candle, these lows are higher than this one. So this is a swing low. Then high and high. So you see that this high and this high are lower than this one. So this is a swing high. And then you see that this high is higher than this high and this high. So this is also another swing high. But you see this low is lower than this low and this low. So this is what? The swing low. And then we are moving continuously lower and lower and lower. And look here, this low is lower than this one and this one. Then this is the swing low. And then this low is lower than this one and this one. So this is a swing low. So now you understand that how to mark the swing highs and swing lows. Look here, this is a swing high, this is a swing low, right? And then you see this high and this high. So this is a swing high. Why? Because this high is higher than the left and right. And then this is a swing. So higher than left and right. And this is a low, lower than left and right. So this is how you will find the swing points. And as I explained before, that these swing points we have to learn very carefully, because they will help us to mark the ranges, because every range will start and end with a QM. And secondly, we have to mark the internal range liquidity, and these internal range liquidity will have only at the swing points. We can't say this is the internal range liquidity or this is the internal range liquidity, but this could be. Okay, so this could be, or this could be. Any swing point could be the internal range liquidity, but of course we have to see the context. In the context, we will see that, for example, we have a range something like this, and in this range the price is going something like this. Then this swing point, or this swing point, these could be the internal range liquidity. Why? Because you see that these are the swing points. This is the lowest one, and then one candle on the left and one candle on the right is higher low, and this is the lower low. So that's why this is a swing point, and same here and same here. So then we expect that the market take the internal range liquidity, and we will see that how deep the price can come. Will it take all internal range liquidity, or just take the first liquidity and then make another break of structure? We will see these things in our upcoming lectures, but at this moment I'm just explaining that we have to understand the 3 candle formation or swing points to mark the QMs and to find the internal range liquidity. Okay, thank you.